Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the workbook and navigating to the sheet with the colored filter applied. Once there, click the header cell that displays the filter drop-down arrow. You need to confirm Auto Filter is active. If you don't see arrows, go to Data Filter. Make sure you have editing permissions so changes stick. Now click the specific column's filter arrow to expose the filter menu. This is the first actionable step to removing color-based filtering, not just values. So proceed to the filter options. Once the filter menu is open, look for Filter by Color. Excel groups color filters there. You click that and then choose Clear Filter from column name or select No Fill to stop filtering by cell background or font color. If you used conditional formatting to color cells, go to Home Conditional Formatting Manage Rules and disable or adjust the rule. Conditional colors won't clear via the filter menu. Make sure to reopen the filter menu after changes to verify all items reappear. You finish by confirming that every row returns and no color constraints remain. If some rows still hide, click Data Clear to remove filters and reapply Clear Filter on the specific column. To fully remove colors that might retrigger filters, use Home Clear formats on selected cells, but note this removes formatting too. If hiding continues, inspect table-level filters, connected slicers, or lingering conditional formatting rules. Fixing those will stop color-based exclusions and restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.